guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, a warm welcome to you. I am Ntokozo ngwenyma, and I'd really appreciate if you click that little subscribe button on the screen so that you can be part of my family. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's good, baby? Thank you so much for coming back, supporting your girl. You know the vibes. You know the vibes, guys. It's been so long, and I'm back with another vlog. I'm back with another vlog, you guys. So you're gonna spend basically like spending the evening with me, you know. So I'm going out, I'm going to Carnival City, and yeah, guys, hope you enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification, and share this video. And yeah, please turn on your post notifications so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. You get it? You feel it?
So guys, here I was deciding on which scent to go with. I chose the Amani C by Jojo Amani. So yeah guys, you know, girl is smelling good and all. If you know me, you know that I love sweet scents, and this one, guys, I'm telling you, to die for. So yeah guys, this is me. Oh my gosh, yeah.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for every, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Deep, 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 I wanna play deep. Deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby, peak, and reach right to the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, 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 then dip me underway. You can kill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for every, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, deep, deep.
Hi guys, so I'm at Carnival City, and yeah, I'm here to have fun. Hope you guys are still enjoying the vlog. I know I haven't vlogged much, but yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying. Guys, this is my first time like going out public without a mask, and look at my hair. I don't give a fudge. So yeah, I hope you guys are audible enough. So I'm just here to have fun. Look at my jacket, love it. So when it ingala somewhere ngap ingala this side kuthi kupha ngathi. Namne sifuna slash.
Fixate on you. I don't debate with you. I look away for you. Team player, I lose the way for you. Look amazed for you. Celebrate with you. Team player, learning to love. Fixate on you. I don't debate with you. I look away for you. Team player. fixate on you. Fixate on you.
No ways, no ways, no ways. I'm losing. How? Guys, please, I'm losing. I know. Then go number 2. Now I'm number 3. I can't. How? Make it make sense. But anyway, guys, I'm having fun. Hope you guys are still enjoying the vlog. I'm having fun. Yeah. Guys, this is me mid-editing. So this is me realizing that I didn't close off the vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And thank you so much, you guys, for watching, for your support, for your patience. And yeah, I love you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. And yeah, thank you for watching. That's like all I have to say. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog as much as I enjoyed filming it, even though it's short. But yeah, at least it's something. I love you. Bye.